Welcome to our guide on mastering the essentials of Sparks Systems Enterprise Architect. In this chapter, we'll take a look at Enterprise Architect configuration and discover some useful features. Customizing your experience in EA is key. In the Start menu, select the Preferences submenu and then the Preferences option to display the dialog. For managing your preferences, the Preferences dialog shows a series of sections on the left and the panel with preference settings on the right. Preferences include EA's behavior regarding the display of different elements, the fonts and colors used, and many other options. Let's customize EA to fit your needs. For example, to display a grid of points in the diagram background, EA offers the Show Grid setting in the Behavior section, which enables you to activate this option. Click on the Show Grid checkbox, optionally on the Snap to Grid checkbox, and the click on Close. Now your diagram is displayed with a grip. This helps you position your model elements. How to organize your workspace to suit your needs. You can adjust the layout of panels, toolbars, and views, ensuring the most important tools are at your fingertips. Let's rearrange your workspace for efficiency. Drag the project browser to the left. Enlarge the diagram pane, open new window like traceability. Add quick access toolbars. Tailor it to how you work best. You can then save the current workspace layout using the Manage Workspaces option in the Workspaces submenu of the Start ribbon. In Enterprise Architect, perspectives help you tailor the interface to specific tasks or methodologies. Whether you're working on business processes, software development, or systems engineering, there's a perspective for you. Choose the right perspective for your task. If you're working on UML modeling, select the All UML perspective to get relevant tools and templates at your fingertips. You select and switch to the required perspective through the perspective option at the top right of the screen. If you want to do some requirement modeling, you select the requirements perspective, which will allow you to focus on requirement modeling and management. Whenever you add diagrams, you will only see the requirement diagram options. But remember, all the other tool features are close at hand. All you need to do is change perspectives. You can even create your own perspective that contains a number of facilities, such as requirements, business process modeling, and mind mapping. The Quick Linker consists of paired menus that list the commonest objects appropriate to the context of the selected element. If you want to create new elements and connectors quickly on a diagram, you can use the Quick Linker on an initial element to guide you in creating related elements and connectors of the appropriate types. The Quick Linker is represented by an arrow displayed to the right of a selected element. An element must be selected for the Quick Linker to appear. Then hold down the button to select and release it on an existing element or in a blank space. You simply choose the type of element you need from the first menu, and that displays the second menu offering a choice of appropriate types of connector between the original and new elements. When you select the connector, you create a new element connected to your initial element, complete with any subordinate objects such as object nodes and action pins. If you drag the Quick Linker arrow onto an existing element on the diagram, only the connector menu displays, so that you select the type of connector to create between the two existing elements. The Model Wizard provides patterns from a wide range of technologies, which you can use to quickly generate new models in your project, both when you first create the project and over time. Using the wizard-assisted creation can also inspire you in your modeling activity. Let's create a model. The Model Wizard can help you set up a new business process model. It will guide you through selecting the BPMN template and creating initial process diagrams. You must first select the package in which the pattern will be created. Then click on the button with a star on the far left of the project browser window menu. The pattern creation window appears. Check that the perspective is correct, for example, business modeling. Then select the technology and pattern you require, for example, BPMN and business process diagram with lanes. Then create the selected pattern in the target package by clicking on the Create Model button in the bottom left-hand corner of the window. The modeling pattern is created and you can adapt it to your needs.